Hello everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic Monday. Thank you so much for joining me. Now today I'm doing a Scrapping for Less design team project using this cute little stamp set from Pink and Maine. It's right up my alley. It's called it's called Perfect Blend, but it has 4 cute little teacups or coffee cups with the cutest little critters sitting on the inside of them. So we're going to make a cute little friendship card today. So we're going to get to stamping. I'm going to grab the little teacup with the little mouse in it, and I'm going to stamp my image with Memento Tuxedo Black ink on a piece of Neenah Classic Crest Solar White 80-pound cardstock. Both of these are Copic friendly. I plan on coloring in this cute little image with my Copic markers. Now I did leave the coloring in for you guys, and I didn't leave the numbers of the marker in the corner. I thought if I just left the lids out, you guys could tell what colors I use. But basically, I wanted a reddish orangish teacup, so I'm using R14, R37, and R59 for the most part. And then I do go in with a few different oranges just to soften the red a little bit. And then of course the mouse I colored in with C1, C3, and C6, and then I added a little bit of R52 to Rosie, the cute little mouse's cheeks and ears. Once I get my image all colored in, I forgot the tail, so I went back in and colored his tail. But I did fussy cut him out. I'm going to show you a close-up of what he looks like. So cute. Now I have a piece of Strathmore Bristol Smooth cardstock here. I want to do some ink blending for my background. So before we do that, I want to stamp my sentiment. This is the die that I'm going to use to cut out my panel, and I'm just placing it on my cardstock just so I know where to stamp my sentiment. The sentiment I chose says, "Coffee and thoughts of you brighten my day," which is so cute. I'm just going to stamp it with VersaFine ink, and then I did go over the top of it with some Nouveau Crystal Clear embossing powder, and then I just went ahead and melted that. For my ink blending, I'm going to be using my Distress Oxide inks, and I chose 3 colors, some bluish greens. I have Mermaid Lagoon, Peacock Feathers, and then Cracked Pistachio. I thought those 3 colors would look really pretty. Now I'm going to start off with my Cracked Pistachio and go over the top, and then towards the middle, right over my sentiment, I'm going to go in with my Peacock Feathers. And then I will finish it off with my Mermaid Lagoon. Now, once I have that done, I should have changed my blending tool because the bottom 2 colors kind of blended really well together. But that's okay. Once I have all 3 colors blended really nicely, I'm just making sure the transition is kind of more smooth. So I'm making sure that my colors go from one to the next nice and smoothly. So once we have that done, I'm going to add some water droplets, give our little background some texture, and then I'm just going to take a towel and wipe and dry off my water droplets. Now as I got this done, I thought, well, it kind of looks a little plain. So I decided to mix my Perfect Pearls with some water, and I just did that in a little spritzer bottle. I just add my Perfect Pearls directly to my water, and it creates a real pretty soft, shimmery background. So I just sprayed it all over my panel, and then I dried it. Now to make this panel a little bit more dainty, I'm going to be using some Lawn Fawn Lacy border dies. Both the stamp set, guys, and these dies are available at Scrapping for Less at great prices. And I'll leave links below in the description area for the products that I used today, in case you're interested. But I cut out the medium lace border with white cardstock, and I'm just going to trim that down a little bit. And then using the larger lacy border, I cut it out with some vellum. Okay, we're just going to attach both of these together using my tape runner. And then I'm just kind of going to position it on my panel where I think it's going to look the best. And then I'm going to die cut everything out at once. I like to do this because I like the stitching on the left and right side of everything. So this helps me. And then I can also position my scallop edges on my Lacy border die right in the center, so everything's balanced and even. So I'm just going to die cut that out, and then I'm going to accent this to make it a little even more daintier. I'm going to add some ribbon. I just grabbed some 1/4 inch ribbon that I had in my stash, and I'm just going to wrap it around my panel here. I'm going to tie the bow to the left. And I'll just trim off the tails and straighten it up. And then I'll flip this panel over, and I'm going to add some foam tape behind it. You can see the gorgeous shimmer that the Perfect Pearls adds. But I popped that up with some foam tape. Now I'm going to place that on an A2 size card base. This is a top folding 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card base. And then now all we have to do is add our little mouse in a teacup. Come here, honey. We have a new addition to our family. We have a little baby kitty. Her name's Chance, so she's going to be talking. For bells and whistles, I'm going to add a few little clear sequins around my card, and that finishes off my card for today. I hope this gives you an idea what to do with those cute little coffee stamps. And again, links are in the description area if you guys are interested. Check it out. I wish you a wonderful, lovely day. I hope your Monday is off to a great start of the week. Thanks for stopping by again, guys, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.